AQMetrics is a technology company focused on the risk, compliance and regulatory reporting needs of our customers. Our cloud-native, no-code platform is built to ensure data quality, data consistency and on-time delivery meeting our customers' reporting needs. Fundamental to this is end-to-end data automation. We automate the collection of data from a wide ecosystem of financial services firms around the world. Data is automatically quality assessed before being processed in our platform. The next step is where our platform works its magic. Depending on your business requirements, the platform can apply rules, monitor for compliance, carry out risk monitoring or regulatory reporting readiness. Once the data finalises its journey, our platform can either create an interactive dashboard or can be sent automatically to a third party, such as one of the regulators we actively engage with. By partnering with AQMetrics, you can be assured that you will have a completely hands-off approach to your data.